You wake up and the war begins. Not out there, but inside your own skull. The battlefield is invisible, but the wounds are real. Every doubt, every anxious whisper, every memory you replay until it rots. They were soldiers in an army you built against yourself. You think it's harmless. A few negative thoughts here, a few regrets there. But they spread like a virus. You begin to become them. You start moving slower, speaking softer, doubting the very ground beneath your feet. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Our life is what our thoughts make it. If your thoughts are poison, your life becomes the body it kills." The truth is this: no one is coming to save you from your mind. No motivational speech, no perfect day, no outside savior. The only one who can burn the rot is you. This isn't about positive thinking. It's about dominion, reclaiming your mental throne from the parasites of doubt. If you can control your mind, you can control your world. If you can't, you're already conquered. You felt it before. That quiet suffocation that doesn't come from the world, but from your own mind. You wake up, grab your phone, and scroll. Everyone looks stronger, richer, happier, and somewhere deep inside, a small voice starts whispering, "You're behind." You brush it off, but it stays. At work, you second-guess your words. In the mirror, you see only what's missing. Even when you try to sleep, your mind keeps replaying every mistake, every time you were overlooked, every time you failed to be enough. That's when the noise gets louder. You start thinking maybe you've wasted too much time. Maybe it's too late to fix anything. You start believing your emotions more than your evidence. You try distractions, music, Netflix, gym, anything to silence it. But the noise follows you. It mocks you while you lift, while you smile, while you pretend everything's fine. And then, somewhere between exhaustion and clarity, you realize something. The voice isn't the enemy. Your obedience to it is. That's when the real war begins. Because the truth is, your thoughts are not you. They're echoes, fragments of fear, habit, and pain pretending to be your identity. When you finally stop reacting to them, when you stop believing every anxious thought, when you start ruling over your mind instead of serving it, you begin to rise. That's when the inner citadel starts to form. Your greatest enemy is not the world. It's the mind that misinterprets it. The Stoics knew this long before psychology gave it a name. Every anxious thought, every spiral of self-doubt, every what if that eats your peace is a test of your inner governance. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." It's a reminder carved in steel. Control what you can, release what you can't. But here's the truth: most never face. Negative thinking is not a symptom. It's a choice repeatedly reinforced through inaction. You suffer twice, once from the event and again from your reaction. You replay the insult, the mistake, the failure, as if pain itself were sacred. But Stoicism teaches the opposite. Pain is raw material. It's the forge that shapes your will. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." He wasn't speaking in metaphor. He meant it literally. The mind fabricates half its own misery. You build prisons from opinions, memories, and fears, then wonder why you feel trapped. Epictetus taught that it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Your thoughts are the front line. The enemy is not chaos, it's your surrender to it. You see, every thought is an invitation. You can either entertain it or interrogate it. The Stoic mind doesn't chase positivity. It builds clarity. It doesn't think happy thoughts. It asks, "Is this under my control?" If yes, act. If no, let it die. This is where the weak fall. They try to control outcomes, people, perception. But the Stoic knows the world owes him nothing. He controls only three things: his perception, his judgment, and his response. Everything else is noise. And here's the paradox. Once you master that discipline, life bends differently. You stop being pulled by emotion. You stop needing validation. You stop overthinking every silence or criticism. The negative mind loses its power because it thrives only when you feed it attention. The modern man lives under constant mental assault. algorithms, opinions, expectations, all designed to keep him reactive. But the Stoic doesn't react. He observes. He recalibrates. He answers chaos with calm precision. To destroy negative thinking, you don't fight it. You outgrow it. You outtrain it moment by moment, until even your silence becomes strategy. The Stoic mind is not a quiet one. It's a disciplined fortress, the inner citadel, where only reason, courage, and clarity are allowed to speak. Stop being nice to your thoughts. Stop apologizing for feeling weak. Stop letting your mind run the show. The battlefield isn't out there. It's inside your head. And if you want peace, you must declare war on mental weakness. Here are 5 Stoic tactics to destroy negative thinking before it destroys you. 1. Confront the thought like an enemy combatant. When a negative thought appears, don't coddle it. Interrogate it. Ask, is this true? Can I prove it? Is it under my control? Most thoughts collapse when challenged because they're built on emotion, not fact. Marcus Aurelius said, if it's endurable, then endure it. Stop complaining. The Stoic doesn't entertain unverified thoughts. He interrogates them until truth remains. When you confront the thought, it loses authority. 2. Shift from emotion to execution. Emotion is the fire. Action is the extinguisher. When the mind spirals, move. Clean something. Train. Write. Act. Epictetus taught, don't explain your philosophy. Embody it. Every second you spend overthinking is a second stolen from progress. The cure for mental chaos is physical movement. Discipline burns doubt. 3. Use negative visualization. Weaponize perspective. Every morning, imagine loss, your health, your comfort, the people you love, gone. It's not morbid, it's awakening. Seneca called this premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. When you expect hardship, nothing shocks you. When you train your mind for loss, gratitude becomes your baseline. Negative thinking dies when perspective expands. 4. Practice voluntary discomfort. Weak minds rot in comfort. The Stoics trained by choosing hardship, fasting, cold, simplicity, to remind themselves that they could live with less. Marcus Aurelius wrote, ask yourself at every moment, is this necessary? When you strip away excess, the mind sharpens. The man who can endure discomfort cannot be broken by fear or doubt. Suffering becomes rehearsal, not punishment. 5. Guard the gates of your mind. What you consume shapes what you become. Social media, gossip, endless noise, they rewire you to compare, react, and decay. The Stoic guards his attention as a soldier guards his post. Control your inputs, and you control your inner world. Read philosophy. Train in silence. Keep your circle strong and few. Your peace is earned through selective exposure. You are not your thoughts. You are the commander who gives them orders. And every time you refuse to bow to negativity, you fortify the citadel within. This isn't about being positive, it's about being unshakable. You've spent years letting your mind dictate who you are, letting fear make your choices, letting anxiety define your limits, letting doubt whisper that you're not enough. But here's the truth. The voice that tells you you're weak is terrified of the man you could become. The Stoics didn't preach peace because life was gentle. They preached discipline because life was war. You are not here to be comfortable. You are here to become unbreakable. Marcus Aurelius wrote, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Stop negotiating with your weakness. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop feeding thoughts that do not serve your purpose. From this moment on, every time your mind attacks you, answer it with action. When doubt rises, breathe. When fear speaks, move. When negativity whispers, observe. Then destroy it with reason. You are not at the mercy of your mind. You are its architect. And every time you choose courage over comfort, you reclaim a piece of your sovereignty. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, practice these 5 Stoic tactics. Guard your thoughts like a fortress. Confront, act, visualize, endure, and protect your peace. Then come back stronger. If this message struck something inside you, don't scroll away. Share it, leave your reflection below, and if you're ready to build your inner citadel, subscribe to Timeless Stoic Mind. Your mind is the empire. Rule it, or be ruled by it.